Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to set up a free television channels on your old CRT television. First I am going to show you my old TV set. This is my old 14-inch LG and I am going to set up a free television. First I will show you it's working or not. Look, there's a TV and it's not working, and YouTube is also not working. Then I have two set-top boxes here. Now I will remove a LAN and I will connect through a Wi-Fi. Okay, I am showing you guys how to set up a free TV channels. First I will connect to my network, Wi-Fi network. And the Wi-Fi is working now. Now I will need USB keyboard, which I already bringing for a setup. From my desktop computer I remove a USB keyboard. I just plug it in a keyboard. Now I can okay, my wireless is connected to a Wi-Fi on my network. Now again I will try. It's asking some passwords. Now on keyboard I will press Ctrl and B for accessing a browser. Then I will open a Play Store. Now it can access a Play Store, and I am adding my email address. Okay, it is not showing anything on my TV set-top box. There is no Google Play and no browsing options, and I am using a shortcut key from a keyboard, and that works. Now I am signing into my Google account. Now I will download Net TV application from a Play Store. Now I can download a Net TV from a Wi-Fi. Now I am downloading. Okay, it is saying that is asking to install, and now it's downloading. I have to wait. Okay, it is taking a little bit of time. After download finish, I can be telling you what to do. It's taking a time to download. Okay, it is completed downloading a net TV. Now I am opening app. There it's coming. Now it will ask to log in. Okay, I am logging in from my Facebook account, or you can add your mobile number, or you can register Ansel. Okay, I am putting my Facebook account for logging in to a net TV applications for Android from a Google Play Store, and now I'm signing in. This it worked. Yeah. Now I can watch television for a free. There are many television channels. You can see there are many channels. Now I am checking some channels.
LED TV, mobile set, vacuum cleaner, mixer grinder.
Look, now I can watch a free TV channels on my old television. Now it's loading, or you can browse many television channels on through Wi-Fi channels. Now I will check some Hindi channels on some international channels, like this is a ZTV. It's very popular in our country, and I will show you some music channels. There are many categories. Then I will go to an international channel category, and I will show you a fashion channel. Look, it's a fashion TV, and it's working.
Fashion TV. Sorry. Beige for fashion TV. We love Victoria's Secret.
Yes. So
will be limited since the country's trade volume with the UK is relatively low. Still, he said uncertainties will increase for some 100 Korean companies.
Yes, thank you. Now I can install a launcher in my television.
Amounted to 14.4 billion US dollars, an estimated 1.
Look, this TV set-top box have no other things like Play Stores or Google Play, YouTube. Nothing is working. Now I have to install. It's not working anyway. So I am going to install. I'm going to install new launchers, because that is nothing that launcher have. I need a new launcher that UI will input, output, and that also support Google Play Store, YouTube, or I can download other applications for an Android operating system. Now I want to download a Microsoft Windows 8 launcher. Okay, it will took a little time to install, and I'll be back. Okay, it's finished downloading. Now I am opening a new launcher for my old TV for a free Wi-Fi channels that I can watch many channels as a one. Then a new launcher I am setting up. Now it must work because I need to watch a television on my old 14-inch CRT television. Now it's working. A new launcher has been installed on my television. It's look like a Windows 8. Now I can see many things here. Now I need a net TV launcher. Okay, yes, it's working. Now I am going to pin my TV, then I can watch televisions every time I want. Then I am going to pin to a start, then it will come here. Then I will enlarge its size. Okay, it's getting bigger and I want it here so I can find it very easily. I'll put it in the front, so I don't need to find every time where is my TV channels are. I will easily find that. This is okay. Now after I open my television, it looks like this kind of layout will appear, and I just managed that TV applications in the front. Now I just have to click in that net TV icon to watch any channels for free from a Wi-Fi internet connections on my old 14-inch CRT television. Now I will just check once. There are many channels you can see. Now again I am going to watch a fashion TV channel. Okay, I am clicking on a fashion. Okay, it's working perfectly. Yes, it's very clear and it's coming, high definition image. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Now you can also set up your free